Sorry guys for the video cutting out. A lot of you give me complaints like you quit the video. Here's the thing, technology is a bitch. Sometimes it just cuts out, and sometimes it's just because of the fact that someone's calling me. And it's just the phone sometimes, but sorry, this is the fourth video on this. So again, the cold water right here is a number 4 because of 200 amps based on 250.64. He said unground it, and I said no way. What if I had to cut through all that stupid ceiling of that drywall to get that in like I've had to many a times? I'm not taking that off because there's a plastic pipe. I said, you tell me in a home, I'll tell you right now where a lot of electricity and water mates on piping. Dishwashers, disposals, Insta-Hots, jetted tubs, bubble tubs, hydronic tubs, hot water heaters, thermal boiler systems for in-floor heating, and geothermal. There's 10 that fast. And someone's gonna get in a shower and you're not gonna have any grounding source because it's a plastic pipe coming into here. So we looked at this, and I'm not gonna say he won or